Okay, uh, today we are going to learn CSS. Okay, CSS is cascading style sheet language used to enhance the presentation of the HTML document. Okay, so let's start. CSS, right? Okay, how to write CSS? We have, for example, p tag, and we close the p tag. Okay, now I write this is a paragraph. Okay, I want to set border of this paragraph. Okay, let's see without the border. Just save as, just save it. This is class zero intro dot html. Okay, dot html. Save, and I go to the folder, open CSS course, and I open it CSS 0 intro. You see, this is a paragraph. There is no formatting, there is no color, there is no border. Okay, I want to set the border. Okay, I will write style, style, style. Okay, this attribute style is equal to border or I change the font size 20 pixels. Okay, font size 20 pixels. By default the font size is 16 pixels and I increase it to 20 pixels. Okay, let's see the output. So there is some problem. Okay, inverted commas, this inverted comma and these quotes are very important. File save, and this is a paragraph. Okay, I change it to 50 pixels. Save, this is a paragraph, 50 pixels. Okay, you see the font size, this is the property name, this is colon not equal to colon, and this is the value and semicolon. Value not equal to but colon and font size. Okay, now there is another paragraph. The style of the paragraph will be font, I say color blue, semicolon, and I write, close the p tag, this is blue color para. Okay, file, save, and I see the output. This is blue color para. Okay, you see this is 16 pixel wide, and if I want to change, I have to include a property. Again, this is a property name, this is property, colon, its value and semicolon. Okay. Now p style is equal to border. Border is a property, colon, its value is 1 pixel solid green, 1 pixel solid, okay, 1 pixel solid, and semicolon. Let's see, file, save, and I refresh. This is the border, okay. So you see there is no text, sorry. This is a red border para, red border para, right? File, save, and this is red border para, no red border, but this is a paragraph with the border, with the black border. And if I want to change the color to red, I will write red. This is space. After 1 pixel is width. Solid means solid line, and after this space we write red. There is a space between these three. Okay, there are three. This value is equal to three values. One is the border size, second is the border type, and third is the border color. Okay, I have changed the color, and now see the output. You see the color of the border has been changed to red. Okay, I increase the size to 10 pixels. File, save. Now the border, the width of the border has been changed. Okay, now I write another para, and I put the style is equal to border colon 10 pixels dashed and red, dash green, dash blue. More prominent. A. This is blue color para. Okay. Refresh. This is dashed border. Okay. This is a dashed border. Okay. There is another border. I write another paragraph, and I put the style and equal to double inverted commas, and I will write border colon 10 pixels or 20 pixels dotted, and I put it again blue. Okay, and semicolon. File, save. You see, this is a border because there is no text. I have to put the text again. I have to put the text. Text is, this is dotted border. Okay. File, save. This is dotted border. Okay. Now the next style is paragraph style is equal to letter spacing. Letter spacing is 10 pixels and semicolon. Letter spacing means the space between letters is 10 pixel wide. Okay. Between the letters. Okay. You see the space between the letters, 10 pixels. If I increase it to 20 pixels, or for example 30 pixels, then you see the difference. Save, and this is THE, this is 30 pixels wide. SP, this is 30 pixels between the, this is letter spacing, right? Between letters is 10 pixel wide, right? Okay. Now in the next paragraph I put the style, the property word spacing, and I put 20 pixels. Word spacing I put 5 pixels. I close the paragraph. This is word spacing, space between the words. So this is how much? This is 5 pixels. And if I increase the space between the words, let's say 25 or 30, save, and I put, this is 25. And if I say it is 50 pixel space, save, this is 50 pixels. This is space between the words, this is space between the letters. Okay. So again, every property is property colon its value and semicolon, its value and semicolon. The screen is divided into pixels. Okay, our screen is divided into pixels. So we use px for pixels, right? For responsive websites we use em. We will see that what em does, but for now it is 50 pixel, it is pixel. Okay. There are points, because there are different graphics presentation functions, but now we are using the function of pixel. Okay, px. So you see, we put the style, then this equal, then inverted commas, and then property name, its value, and semicolon. Okay, what if I put the border and word spacing and letter spacing and color and font size all in one paragraph? I have to apply multiple properties. If I want to apply multiple properties on a single tag, tag is P, paragraph. These are all P tags, and we apply the style sheet on these P tags. But we have seen till now only one property. What about the multiple properties? For example, this is a paragraph and I want to set the font size 20 pixels, and now semicolon, after the semicolon I put the another property, color is blue, and again semicolon, and I close the quotes and I close the P tag, P opening tag, and I close the P tag and I put, this is a text. Okay. Now two properties, you see, font size, its value, and semicolon. This is complete one selector. This is complete one selector. So one property is value, and this is second property and value. This is second property. Second property again, this is property name and its value and semicolon. So two properties are applied on, this is a text, on this paragraph. Let's see, file, save, refresh, this is a text.